If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. At magbibidyoke tayo ngayon gamit lamang yung ating cooler speaker. Ito yung ating cooler speaker guys na may dalawang microphones na kasama and very lightweight guys. Sa murang halaga, meron ka ng speaker na ganito. Very quality ng tunog and napakaganda ng mga functions niya dito guys. Yes, may reverb, may vocal cut at pwede nating i-change yung ating boses gamit lamang yung mga functions niya dito. And I'm sure palagi kayong nagvi-videoke dahil yung mga Pinoy guys, kahit sang kanto, nagvi-videoke yan, kahit walang okasyon, as long as meron kayong speaker, meron kayong karaoke na pwedeng i-connect sa Bluetooth, nagkakaraoke talaga yung mga Pinoy. And we will try this one here in this video. Kakanta tayo guys, and we will check kung maganda nga ba yung quality niya. Okay?